Damn right, I'm flawless. Look how I look. I'm lush and I'm gorgeous. I'm awesome. I can't get enough of myself, man. I'm flawless. I look in the mirror. I crush on myself. Like, damn, that's how you look. That's how you do. Damn, I'm so hot. I might just vapor.
Hey dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another slay today. Today is all about Sheglam brands or products. They were kind enough to send me out some PR products, and I wanted to like show you guys what they sent to me and how I'm gonna head to use this products on here, and then give you guys the honest review. As you can see, I'm wearing the products. I'm wearing the lipstick, the eyeshadow, which is this one called the Rhapsody palette, and also what else, I think the eyeliner. Yes, so the rest of my face and the other things are just, you know, from me, right? So just before we go into that, if you don't know me or you just bumped into this video or you're new here, my name is Gucci Ohans Patrick, and you're definitely welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please do consider doing that, because of course you won't regret it. Consider subscribing, okay? And yeah, let's just dive right into this whole review. So this is the palette. Yeah, it's called the Rhapsody palette. So actually it's like purple. It's got purple shades, loads on it, like purple shades on it. This is what it looks like. The first time when I saw this palette, when they sent it to me, I already knew what I was going to create. I just wanted to create something soft, but with a tiny bit of, you know, boldness, touch of boldness in it. So yeah, and I want it to be like purple based, because even though we've got about 1, 2, 3 like orangey sort of peachy shades on here, I just wanted to go with the purple going on in the palette. So basically they've got 10 shades on this palette, and they've got I don't want to go into calling all the names out, because that would take, I don't want to take much of your time. So they've got 10 shades. We've got 4 shimmers on here, 4 shimmers, 3 of which is in different purple shades. 1 is in a peachy peach shade, and the rest of the other shade that you can see there, they're all matte, like they're all matte there on there. So I swatched it on my eyes as per the ones that I've used, and my honest review, it is really good. I wouldn't say it's super pigmented, honestly, but the right kind of pigment that you would need for eyeshadow application, because some palette you get it and they're super pigmented, like you're shocked, okay? But this is like the actual, like the right kind of pigment that you would need for your actual, you know, eyeshadow application. So it's a good one, yeah. And another thing that I noticed is I didn't have any fallout at all. There wasn't any fallout whatsoever. So yeah, I give it to it. So I liked it. And talking about the lipstick, this one is called 202 in Rendezvous, also from Sheglam. They sent me out this one as well, and I've used it, of course, for this look. And this is what the inside looks like. Okay, it's a bit messy on there because already I used it on my lip. Okay, it's like, this is nude, a kind of pinky shade of nude or orange shade of nude. I don't know how it appears on here, but of course we all know this is nude. Okay, and I love nudes. I've got like 1001 nude lipstick, but I just feel like they're all different. Okay, so even if you see me wearing this one, I know what this serves for me. Okay, just yeah. So they sent me this one. One thing I love about this packaging of the lipstick, for the price, I can't really, like, I'm gonna leave the prices of each of those products somewhere on the screen. It will pop up and you will know the price, but I know that this is not expensive at all. I think about 8, if not 6 or 4 pounds or dollars. So I'm going to leave it somewhere. But what I'm just trying to explain in essence is, for the packaging of this lipstick, look at that. It looks really, really bougie, like very expensive. Look at that. It's something that you can pop in your purse, go out, and when you bring it out, I mean, it's looking super expensive. Look, not looking cheap at all. Like the packaging is, I give it to them for that one. So it's really good. When I applied it, it's good. Like no sticky, no dryness, nothing. So I love that one as well. And for their eyeliner, this is what it comes in. Okay, it's a bit kind of like, it feels a bit weighty, like heavy, but not in a bad way. I'm just saying that the quality of their packaging is like very good. It's not something you just flip out and it looks really light and not, you know. So that one is good. And the eyeliner is so good. I've been wearing that. I finished this look in about 30 minutes ago, like overall, in like trying to set my intro and talking to you. The eyeliner so far is not cracking. It's still there. It's still bold and beautiful. Some eyeliners you're putting it, and it's waterproof, which is really, really good as well. So yeah, that's a good one as well. So you guys make sure to check them out. I have got a code that I'm going to leave in the description below, so that when you go to their website to shop, you can make use of my code and get some money off. Okay, so I'm going to leave all the information that you need about this Sheglam. I know some of you have heard a lot about them. Just in case you don't know them, you can check them out. They're very good. They've got tons of other kind of palettes which I would like to try out in future. And yeah, they sent me out those ones as PR, so I'm loving it. So I'm going to be leaving my code in the description link below. Make sure to check out. Okay, use the code and you get some money off. Okay, so back to this look. I love this look. You guys let me know what you think in the comment below. I just love this look. It didn't take me ages to do at all. Just very, you know, I love how everything came out nice and soft, but still, you know, very bold. You know, you guys already know I love my touch of bold in everything that I do, so I love it. I decided to top up gloss on my lips because I didn't want to wear a matte lippy today. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm rocking my earring from my birthday outfit. I love these earrings a lot. I got them off of Primark. I love it so much, so I decided to rock it for this look. My birthday was like two days ago. And yeah, those who know me on Instagram, you guys already know. Thank you guys for wishing me a happy birthday. I really do appreciate that. So yeah, that's it for the whole intro and everything. So we're just going to dive right into the tutorial, and it's going to be a voice note as usual. You know, I'm trying to make it, you know, my videos really straightforward and not waste you guys time, you know, like so much. So yeah, we're just going to dive into this tutorial, and if you want to know how I achieve this look, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. And until then, I'm going to see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please do share my videos. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next one now. Bye for now. Bye. So starting off, I already done my brows as usual. And yeah, I'm just gonna start off with the eyes. And my base, you guys already know, my ride or die. I'm using the P. Louise Rumor Base 2 for my base today. I'm just spreading out the product as usual. This is like literally like the typical like usual steps I usually take to apply my eyeshadows. If you watch all my videos, I bet by now you should already know. So just spreading it out, and the next step, of course, is just going in with a fluffy brush and then just patting it in, and you know, taking up the hash lines. As you can see, I'm stretching my eye and just trying to stretch out the hash lines. As you can see, now it's flawless and very flat and very smooth. And the next thing now will be to apply my eyeshadow. So moving on to that Rhapsody palette, I'm gonna go in with the first that's the darkest purple shade on that palette, which is called the Mandala. I'm going to be using it on the outer corner, starting off from the outer corner, sorry, and then extending it all the way further down to the front of my lid. So I'm just, as you can see, like I said from the beginning of this video in the intro, I said that eyeshadow has the right application, the right kind of pigment for eyeshadow application. So you can see I'm just going round over and over, but as you can see, not fall out. The pigment is all right, and yeah, I would recommend a great deal. So secondly, I'll be moving on with the second purple shade on there. This is a bit more lighter than the first one that I used, and then it's called the Lily. So I'm going to be using that one to serve as my transition shade. So I'm just using it and applying on the top corners of my lid. You guys pardon the noise that you can hear in the background. I don't know, whatever is passing across my street, and they're just making a hell of a noise, so I'm sorry about that. So moving on, after applying the transition color on top, I just went ahead to blend up the hash lines from the first color that I did applied. And then what I'm actually doing is actually like building up the other color, the first color, to get the intensity that I want, because I really want the purple to show. So I went ahead to reapply again and again. Afterwards, the next stage will be to cut my crease. I don't think I want to start talking about this cutting crease again, because really, if you watch my videos, if you like been watching my videos, you would really know like the steps to cut crease. So I'm just gonna, just keep that part. So now crease is cut, and I'm gonna have to use the P. Louise base to, of course, set the lid. And now what I'm doing, I'm using the fluffy brush as well to pat it in to make it more smooth and make the base, very flawless. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to go into that shimmer shade, which is purple as well. This one is called the Unicorn. So I'm just applying the shimmer on my lid, I'm gonna spread it all the way nearly to the end, but not up to the end. So you're gonna see in a minute what I mean. So I'm just gonna spreading it out. Yeah, that's it, spreading it out, and I'm just gonna stop there, really. And then I went back to the first dark purple that I used and I applied on my crease. I'm applying it on the outer corner to fill in the space. And that's literally this eye look, you guys. Very simple, very straightforward. No, no hassles at all. So I went ahead to do my second eye off camera just to save time. And now I'm using the Sheglam waterproof eyeliner to line my lid, as you can see on there. So I'm just basically just lining my lid, just to draw out the lines, the eyeliner. I didn't want anything bold today as per my eyeliner. I wanted it to be normal, not too thin and not too bold. I just wanted the right kind of, lines for this look, So yeah. So I'm just, extending that to the inner corners, and I'm done. Moving on to the lashes, I went ahead to use the Boss Babe from Whitney Collections. I love their lashes a lot. Very fluffy, very lightweight, and it doesn't even like give you problems to apply. Moving on to my face, I'm using a primer that will take out all this oil on my face. This one is from Makeup Revolution. It's a mattifying primer. As you can see, I've been producing a lot of oil on my skin, so I just decided to go all matte for this look. And as my foundation, I went in with the e.l.f. foundation, and yeah, I'm just applying that on my skin as well, and just going ahead to spread out the product and make it seamless. Moving on to my concealer, I went ahead to use the e.l.f. 16 Hour concealer as well, and I used the Huda Beauty setting powder. I had to skip all this part because really you guys already seen me do this a lot of times, so I just wanted to save time, to be honest. And now I'm going in with the Nip and Fab contour palette. I actually used that contour palette for my contour. Now I'm taking the orange shade on that to serve as my blush, as you can see. And yeah, that's it. Literally, I'm just using it as my blush, and I'm trying to blend it and make it look seamless. So now I'm done with the blush. The next thing I'm going into is the Sheglam lipstick. This one's called the Rendezvous. Like I said in the beginning, it's nice. It's this packaging, I love it so much. I was obsessed when I got it out. It looks very, like, it feels heavy, and the packaging like looks really bougie. I loved it. So before I applied the lipstick, I went ahead to use the Intense lip liner from MUA Cosmetics to line my lips. I love this lip liner a lot. I use it all the time. So I lined my lips, and then I went back with a lipstick, and now I'm applying it on my lip. Okay, I love it. It's sort of a little like sort of a pinkish sort of nude, if I'm making sense. So what I'm doing is just jamming my lips together because I want the lip liner and the lipstick to come together and blend in properly. I didn't want them to be like separated. I wanted it to come together even though they're like, you know. So yeah, so after which I went in with my MUA light luster highlight kit, and I'm using the gold, the darkest gold on there as my highlighter, and I'm applying it all the places that I love to pop on my cupid bow, my nose, the tip of my nose, and on my side cheek. As you can see, I'm just like using my hands to blend it out so that it wouldn't appear really harsh. It would appear soft, even though the highlighter is there a lot. You guys know I love my highlighter. You know, I don't care what anyone says, I love my highlighter. So all I do is just go in and blend it. And now I went and topped the lips with a lip gloss because I wanted a lip gloss for this look. And that's the finished look, you guys. I love this look so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thought about this look in the comment section. And yeah, share my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.